Hey there, welcome to Fresh. I'm Sarah and this is
Mia!
And today we're going to be making
Tacos!
Za'atar Tacos. Yay! We are going to start out with 1 pound of ground lamb, chicken, or beef, your choice. 1 tablespoon of Za'atar seasoning. That recipe is down in the description. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, all thrown in together. And then we have our green beans. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, all mixed together right there. Throw all of that right into your quick cooker and cook for roughly 15 minutes. Now for our slaw mix, I have a bag of coleslaw mix right in there, and then half of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of chilies, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sumac. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and see that Za'atar recipe in the description. Go ahead and mix that up. Make sure you're mashing the avocado to make a sauce type consistency. You could also mash it before you add it into this mixture. What do you like to top your tacos with? Personally, I like some tomatoes and onions, as well as the slaw mix that I just made, and some mashed up avocados blended with some chili peppers. And then also some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream.